Today we are going to create molecular models based on the VSEPR theory, the valence shell electron pair repulsion. This kit contains different sizes of spheres to indicate elements. So the steric number 2, the first one we are creating here is the AX2, which is linear. And then steric number 3, which has a central atom and 3 bonding pairs, trigonal planar. And then steric number 4 is 1 central atom and 4 bonding pairs. So this will take a shape of tetrahedral. And then we have steric number 5 with, of course, 1 central atom and 5 bonding pairs, and takes the shape of trigonal bipyramidal. And then finally, we have steric number 6 with central atom and 6 bonding pairs with the shape of octahedral. So there you go.